With 8 minutes of watching this video, you are going to learn how to be profitable trading crash and boom. Just stay tuned to this video and make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified on each strategy I drop, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Just stay tuned and don't skip any part of this video. Hello guys, and welcome to Forex Success. So guys, like I said, we are trading boom 1000 right here. So if you watched the previous video, you will notice I said I'm going to do another video on the boom 1000 trade that I took. Yeah, so this is boom 1000 right here. So I told you guys I'm going to do this video for boom 1000. You can watch the previous video if you haven't watched it. It's for boom 500. I showed you how I traded it, so you can as well start using the strategy to trade and make profits for yourself. So guys, what I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to simply show you how I traded it. You can see it's on profit. Okay, first of all, I'll go to the 1 minute time frame. You can see we're catching spikes on boom 1000 index. Look at my entry and it's still on profit. So guys, before we get started, make sure you hit the red subscribe button and turn on the post notifications so you'll be notified each time we drop a video, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up so that it can reach out to many people as well on YouTube. So guys, let's jump into it. So before I took this trade, guys, this is what I did. First of all, I went to the 1 hour time frame and I saw a doji. Guys, I saw a doji. Okay, I hope you guys know candlestick patterns like doji, the hanging man, the hammer, the inverted hammer, the morning star. Guys, these are all candlestick patterns and they indicate different things in the market. Most of them indicate reversals. Like this candlestick pattern right here, it indicates a reversal. It shows that buyers were exhausted at this point. You can see buyers were exhausted at this point and sellers took over, so they indicate reversals. So guys, I spot the candlestick pattern. As you can see at this point, this candlestick pattern was here and then it indicated a reversal, which shows that sellers, you can see on this market, guys, please watch this carefully. On this market, sellers were in charge. They were in charge until it got to this point where sellers became exhausted. They moved the market all the way down, but buyers took it over and then it ended at this, which shows that indecision in the market, sellers are being exhausted right here. So then sellers also pushed the market down again, but buyers took the run. You can see in an reversal of the market, so buyers are now in charge. You can see, guys, made the retracement and then continued the uptrend. That is trading, guys. You need to study the chart. Study the chart, guys. Okay, let's quickly go to what we're talking about here. So I saw this candlestick pattern which indicates a reversal for the 1 hour time frame. I saw this and then I started watching the market. I knew it's going to reverse, so then it closed at this point where the next candlestick started moving towards the downside. So guys, I spotted this and I said, okay, this market it's going to buy. From the 1 hour analysis, I'm showing you this so that you can learn and start making profits each time you want to trade with this strategy. So starting from the 1 hour, I got my signal for a buy, but I can't just enter. I went to the 30-minute time frame. I spotted same thing as a support level. Look, this is a support level. As you all know, this is a support zone. The market could not break through it. It made a pullback. As it could not break through it, it made a pullback. That is another. So undermining the fact that this is a support level, this one at this point. This market came down and touched it, and I know it's going to bounce back for the 1000. Boom, 1000. I went to 15-minute time frame, same thing, a support zone. It has to bounce back, you can see. Okay, that's another thing. I took the 15-minute time frame, same thing, you can see, same thing. So the 5-minute time frame, it was also on same principle, same thing guys, same. You can see my entry, it's a support zone. So this is a signal for a buy. Exactly. So usually what the market does is that it can reverse and go back at this point, and also it can just go for a retracement and then continue the downtrend. But all we are focused on is catching the spikes, either for the trend or for the reversal. As you can see, I buy boom and I see a crash. So what I'm going to do, I'm showing you the 1-minute time frame, how I entered. So after getting those confirmations from the 1 hour, the 30 minutes, the 15 minutes, and the 5 minutes, I went to the 1-minute time frame to get an. So then guys, what I did was that I went to the 1-minute time frame to get my entry. Okay, you can see this entry was so very much perfect. Seeing it from the 5-minute time frame, look, I took the entry at this point. Okay, the 1-minute time frame, how I got the entry. So what I did was that I was watching this market using the strategy, the crash and boom strategy, whereby you wait for the red moving average to cross below the green line at the oversold level, then you place your buy. That was what I did. Okay. So guys, I waited for it to cross below. As you can see at this point, this was my entry. So what I did was that I waited for it to cross below. Exactly. So the red moving average crossed below this green line at the oversold level, then I placed the buy. It gave me a black bar. This, I knew another spike was coming. I waited. It gave me another black bar. After this next spike, I waited, spiked, and then you can see another spike, and now it's coming down. And this is a clear sign for me to take profit, because the market seems to be reversing right now. So guys, I take my profit. Okay, you see that guys, very nice strategy. So checking out the 1 minute, the boom 500, checking it out, it's trying to. So I'm still holding on to